This is Stuttering Matt. If you can please subscribe to my channel. Okay, I'm gonna do a review today on the website I've been using called simpletraffic.co, and I'm gonna tell you if it's good or not. I think it might be a scam, but I don't know if any of you have ever tried it. So I'm gonna tell you first. It says get started with 2,500 free visitors on the first 5 days. In the first 2 days, I tried my YouTube channel. So you should be getting tons of views. I only got like 50 views a day. So the next few days, I tried a Clickbank product. I was getting 500 views a day. So today's like day 20. I've been switching Clickbank products every 3 days. Some days I get, sometimes every days I get 5,000 views, 3,000. Then I change the product. So far, I can't get a single sale. So I think this might be kind of fake, and I'm gonna show you why. The SEO site. So this is the pricing plan. I bought the 15,000 visitors per month for $10 only. I said, oh yeah, for $10, if I can get 15,000 subscribers, if I can even get 15 on my YouTube channel, that'll be great. Which, it's a lie. I'm gonna show you why. So far, you can't get a single sale on Clickbank, and I'm getting 500 people a day on it. I'm gonna show you about the site now. So I just logged in. I highly recommend don't use your YouTube channel on this. So you put your URL in, or I'll put a Clickbank in. Targeting. Unless you put worldwide, or you put USA, or whatever you want. And so this is why you don't want to use your YouTube channel. It doesn't show up a picture. No matter what, I tried a bunch of different YouTube videos. If I use a Clickbank product, it actually shows up the picture and what the name of the product is. And sometimes I'll use a short link and I'll short link it, and yet still can't get a single sale. Which, even though it says you're getting 500 views, I don't think you're getting 500 views. So I'm gonna show you why. I just put my YouTube channel in a day ago. It shows up blank. This is how I know this site is a scam. You're not getting the real views. So I put my YouTube video in a day ago, and the last day it says I got a total of 661 views on my YouTube link. Even people just click on it for a second, click off, it would show off. Now if we go to my YouTube channel, the exact same video I put on, look at my views, 72. They said I got 661 views, but really, I didn't get a single view. So that's why I'm gonna cancel this site. It's a scam. Where's my 600 views at? So the whole time I've been putting Clickbank products, I don't think even though it says I'm getting 15,000 a month, or even 500 a day, I haven't been getting any, I don't think. This whole site is a scam, and I just proved it. Simpletraffic.co is an SEO site. I think it's all fake.